Hello, and welcome to Drafty. In this video we will be looking at the Lineset Scheduler, one of the most powerful tools in the Pro package. Ready? Good. Let's begin. First, navigate to the scenery layer by pressing the scenery button or the 2 key. In the contextual menu, set Lineset from hide to show. The tool defaults to 10 linesets. However, you can change this to whatever you need. In this case we will use 64 lines. Distance markers show how far a given line set is from plaster line. The trim will display trims for the line sets, and is fully user-definable. You set the default spacing between line sets from the standard 6 inches to anything that you'd like. You may enter distances in inches or feet if measurements are set to imperial, or meters if set to metric. Double-click a distance marker and you can enter values that differ from the default. Drafty will add gaps as necessary to properly display correct spacing. Double-click the purpose field to enter a unique purpose for each line set, in this case border 1, legs 1, and LX1. Now, select border 1 and press the border button. Select legs 1 and click the legs button. Select LX1 and click the positions button. We have now added these items to our line set schedule. We can change the length, in this case to 70 feet, for the position and for the border. The legs slide along the position, and are symmetrical by default. You move the line set schedule display left or right, by dragging the tool from the top box. Now, we add lights to our position, as if we were laying out a basic system pipe. Perhaps we have a series of 19-degree cross lights, on 8-foot spacing. We use a standard tools to add, edit, and modify these lights. Perhaps we have a second system of templates as 26 degrees. We add a small system of moving lights. Please note, during this process we are only adding lights to one side of the pipe, because this is a symmetrical plot, and we can use the mirror tool after we have laid out one half of our systems. Remember that Drafty uses 3-inch spacing on all lighting positions to keep your lights neatly organized. This allows for easy drag and drop functionality while maintaining proper spacing. Double-click the position to select all lights, and shift-click the light at center to unselect. We then mirror our lights with a W key. On the scenery layer, select, and then drag and drop any line set to rearrange it. This will move all objects attached to that line set. Change the trim, by selecting the pipe and changing the Z field, in this case, to 33 feet. Now we lay out all our systems, borders on 8-foot spacing. Legs, also on 8-foot spacing. And our pipes. As we zoom in, note that name incrementing has occurred for all items on the line set schedule. Legs 1 became legs 2, border 1 became border 2, and LX1 became LX2, 3, 4. Happy drafting!